HealthSense introduces Pure Mist Ultrasonic Cool Humidifier, which helps in increasing the level of moisture in your room to provide major relief from most of the health problems caused due to dryness and low humidity levels. Releases a gentle, cool vapor mist with ultrasonic whisper quiet technology for a noise-free environment. Demineralization filter helps purify hot water to release mist in its purest form. 2.8 liters easy-to-fill tank allows 8 to 10 hours of uninterrupted use at maximum vapor flow. Rotatable nozzle to set desired vapor level. Enjoy your favorite oil or water-based aroma fill in the air while humidifying with aroma diffuser. The moist air from Pure Mist reduces dryness and dust in the room. Your skin and lips also benefit to remain soft, healthy and supple with ample moisture content. Helps combat several health problems like cough and cold, fever and croup in children, snoring and breathing problems caused by virus and bacteria. A standard AC room with Pure Mist will regain its moisture level, which otherwise is as dry as a desert. Detects empty tank to switch off automatically. Pure Mist also serves the purpose of a lamp with its multicolor LED night lamp to set the desired atmosphere with your favorite color or spectrum of colors. Pure Mist, the smarter way to humidify at your fingertips.